Alright, hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that, we're not a buy or sell channel, okay? So if you're looking for someone who's gonna tell you to buy now and sell now and all of that good stuff straight up, you're on the wrong stream. But if you're looking how to trade these Forex markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, and stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. What's up? How's it going? Listen, London was a super choppy session, but I made my pips, man. Legit, I don't have to trade for the rest of the day. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to give you guys setups. I'm gonna watch with you guys. Let's have a good time. And that being said, don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, any risk that you take upon yourself. We're not financial advisors, you guys. Okay, we're just we analyze these markets. We've been trading these markets for a couple of years now, and we just do it live for you guys. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, I'm gonna quickly share my screen with y'all. Okay, give me a quick second. I hope you guys had a good good London session. Alright, it was lovely. Cash nailed it as always, and I made my pips. Alright, I got my 20 pips for London, and I can't be complaining about anything. It was one hell of a session for me. Okay, gonna get to the chat real quick. Hello, hi B2, hi Nash, hi Bharat, Lost, Baha, Zero made my 1%. Awesome, man. Lovely. Okay, so this is what the current situation is. We do have some news that's going to be out in the next couple of minutes. So we want to be careful. We want to be conservative. All right. So as you can see right there from demand zone, we picked up some buyers, and now we're retesting this region up above. Let's look at the RSI. The RSI is bullish. So let's see. Maybe we happen to get a break past here, and we could buy into supply. Okay. Again, if you're getting in on this, TP1 right there, TP2 right about there. Okay, guys. Why TP2 there? Because there are sellers. Okay, the supply that's going to be sitting up in that region. So let's not get too carried away. Okay. And of course, if all the technicals want to get thrown straight out of the window and we want to keep selling, then we're going to sell from this region. Okay, so where could your stop loss be for this? You could have your stop loss somewhere in this region. That's about a 25 pips stop loss. Aim for another 25 pips or more, and you have a good trade right over there. Okay, now let's see how they want to react in and around this region, and then maybe, just maybe, we get those buys coming in. Okay, look at that steep freaking downtrend on the dirty. Okay, so what can we possibly expect on the dirty is maybe a break, a retest, something of that sort, right? So that's a possibility, and for those reasons, I'd be comfortable with our breaker structure buys up here. Okay, and naturally, if you want to keep selling off, even though I don't like that, there's some really serious divergence that's starting to kick in. But if we want to sell off, we're looking at around about this area. Sushant, hi buddy, what's up? Okay, gold. Alright, let's see if we have a little bit of a surge of volume on gold, and maybe we break past it and we start a push higher. Okay, if you guys are not comfortable with this, stick with that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for now is I'm gonna leave the 15 right there. Let's mark up a new level of 5-minute resistance right here. Okay, and let's see how we want to react in and around this region. Okay, and if we break past here, we could possibly get in on the buys. Again, stop loss right in this region. I get a lot of questions asking me, Bro, where's your stop loss at? Bro, where's your stop loss at? At the previous zone. Okay, these are 10 and 20 pip zones. You could have your stop loss at the previous zone. TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay. It's here to hold a psychological number there. Okay. We've also got some supply up there. What's up, you guys? How's it going? Chat seems pretty dead today. How are you guys doing? Okay, my favorite part of the session. Let's get that Forex Scalper Pro out. Okay, so GU has been selling off. Lovely. Let's look at Nasdaq. Everything's rangy right now. The 5-minute is attempting to go bullish. The 15-minute is also attempting to go bullish, but I like the daily. We're pretty much sitting at 48 on the daily, so if we have momentum, we could break down as well. Okay, so these could be fake outs as of right now. Okay, so let's see how Nasdaq wants to react. If we start to push down, okay, from the daily, then yes, these sells could come back in. Okay, but one-on-ones, you guys should be seeing a potential pattern begin to play out over here. Okay, and let's look at the dirty. Okay, oversold on the 15s, and on the daily, we're testing out the 45 to 50 area. Okay, so let's see how that wants to play out. Gold is just within that range right now. Okay. Alright, we've got 5 more minutes. What's up, you guys? How's it going? I'm in my lecture. Awesome. Cram had issues from my phone with Zoom. Just joined up. PC, how you doing, man? I'm good, Baha. What about you, brother? How's it going? Alright, now for some of y'all that are thinking if y'all can be buying this region on the dirty, go for it. Okay, my one-on-ones, you guys know what to be doing in a situation like this, but it's completely up to y'all. Okay, we have newer people on the stream as well, so I'm giving you guys breaker structure, safer regions to get in and out of these markets. Okay, this could have been a nice little buy here. Nice little buy. Okay, I do believe that we could come back down to test that demand zone and then maybe start to pick up. If we're gonna start to do something like that, we could also look at this move. Okay, is gold showing bullish divergence? Not as yet, buddy. Not on the 5 minutes at least. Apart from the one-on-ones, is there any crash course you recommend? I don't know, man. That's completely up to you, buddy. But there's a lot of information out there on YouTube. So go ahead and knock yourself out, okay? But I haven't learned from anyone specific myself, so I can't really speak for that, buddy. This is my first time on your stream, and I can't get that entry one part. What do you mean by that? If you're talking about where to enter in on this trade or these trades, you basically want price to close in our box, and you want to retest a rejection and a push. The same thing applies for the sells. So if you want to come down from here, close, retest, rejection, and a push. Okay, so now we definitely are building in some supply over here. Expect a little bit of a retest, either to the 4-hour support or the daily support. Okay, we've got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, okay? I'm currently not on any trades. Is anyone in on anything at all? Anyone in on any trades? Nothing yet? Okay. Okay. Let's see, what do you guys want to watch? Do you all want to be watching the indices? Do you all want to be watching gold? What do you guys want? I like gold is up right now. The indices could be giving it as well, but gold looks a little juicier to me. What do you guys want for news in the next 1 minute? We don't give up. Okay, I just set an order up for gold, so in case price wants to start to break, give me a quick second, guys. Okay, in case price wants to start to break that region, I'd be getting in on gold. Okay, quick in and outs, not stressing too much about it. Let's take it easy. Okay. News in the next 10 seconds. Gold, 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 gold it is. All right, let's have a good one, guys. Please don't be using your stupid crazy lots. Let's make these pips. All right, this is news. Okay. New candle pushes up. They're going to push down. It seems like they want to go and test out that liquidity right down there. So let's see what they want to do. Pretty dead. Pretty dead. Okay, let's see. Gold sitting right at the EMA, man. It's sitting right there at that EMA. Right there. So we're being held off by that right now. Okay, if we have enough momentum to boom break, we could get a nice little pop at least to that zone. So if that wants to happen, we're looking at least a 23 pip move. Minus your spreads, 20 pips, okay? Rolls that splits. Takes a hit. Okay. Nothing so far. I'm just chilling, you guys. I've got my music on. I'm caffeined up, and I'm up with some other stuff as well. And I'm chilling, right? I'm relaxing. I'm having a good time. Let's see what these markets want to do. Either listen, like I told y'all, I've already made my pips for the day. Okay, because even if I don't end up getting a trade on this session, I'm fine. If the ones that traded London, if you guys caught it as well, it's fine. But even the ones that didn't make your pips for the day, you guys need to realize something, right? So if a day with no trades is a W day, because trust me when I say this, as a technical trader, it's the hardest thing to listen to your instinct and stop yourself from taking trades. So if you're doing that and if you guys are not happy with it, y'all don't need to be getting in on anything, all right? Take it easy. Okay, so they are getting rejected. Right, pretty dead, pretty dead. I'm gonna switch this up there. Let's create a new little level of 5 minutes support. So what I'm basically doing right now, guys, is I'm trapping price. Okay, so we now have price trapped in this zone. The ones that want to get aggressive with me, here's your trade. Nothing so far. Alright, it's pretty dead. I should have probably come for market open today, but it is what it is. We're not going to complain about it. Let's watch. Okay. Since nothing's really going on in these markets, and I haven't asked this question for quite some time, and I know we have a lot of new people on here every single day joining our community, joining our server. Rep your countries, guys. Where are you all from? Put it down in the chat. I know we have a global audience over here from all around the world. Where are you guys from? Go ahead and type it out, okay? Let's get to know each other. Aussie, awesome. Lebanon, lovely. Kuwait, UK, India. Okay, USA. Awesome, guys. Come on, 62 people on here. I would assume you guys would like to rep your countries. I mean, come on. India, Australia, Italy. Where are you from, sir? I'm Indian. But I was born and raised in Dubai. Lived in Dubai my whole life. But Indian by blood, Desi by blood. Russia. Global audience. Awesome, you guys. Okay, so we are getting rejected. We are getting rejected from that 5-minute resistance. Let's see, you guys. It's extremely slow right now. Okay, I just have that one order set up for gold over here. So if it wants to happen, it'll happen. But currently, I'm not in on anything. Okay, maybe, just maybe, if we start to get rejected from the same zone of demand. Technically, this whole region is our demand, right? So that's a pretty fat zone of demand, right? But this whole region is going to act up as an area where buyers could most likely step in. So I'm going to see how we want to react in and around this region. And if I start to see a nice little, rejection or a bounce back up from here, I'm going to start to maybe layer my positions into the buys, okay? Gameski NFT, you missed nothing, brother. Good evening. Was I late? No, absolutely not, Sampath. Nothing's going on in these markets right now. Expect a nice little bounce back, a drop till here, okay? And maybe we could get a little bit of a bounce. And the same thing applies on Nasty, okay? If we do test out this area and if this demand holds up, I'm going to start to layer my position into the buys. And I'm just not liking the divergence on US 30, okay? This market, look at how steep that freaking downtrend is, you guys. Look at how steep that is. Okay, so this is a really sharp downtrend coming in, and we clearly have some divergence on the strength indicator as well. So let's see if we want to start to maybe break those highs and create higher highs now, okay? Okay, gold's holding. Alright, nice little trap zone on gold. Okay, so we are currently accumulating orders in this region. I like the break of structure even on the minutes. Okay, maybe we happen to break that. So one or two things will happen. Either we end up doing something like that, right? Number one, or number two is we have something like that, get our liquidity, and then maybe start a push up, right? So if this happens, I want you guys to note that the bigger picture would end up looking like that. Okay, so I hope you guys get a clearer idea of what we're dealing with. Also coming into a little bit of a pennant on the 1 minutes, okay? Maybe GU is still selling off. We should have probably been trading GU. Okay. Nasty is starting to show some... Okay, one-on-ones. What are we seeing on Nasty? Come on, guys. What are we seeing on Nasty? I know we have my one-on-one sitting right here. What do we have? Come on, guys. Type it out. Such an ass inverse session. That's good. That's correct. But this inverse head and shoulders could also easily come down to make a nice little double bottom and pick up more buyers from here, okay? Because if we don't have the momentum to break past this right now, we are, I would have told you guys about the trampoline effect a lot, right? In order to push higher, you need to push your weight down first, right? So that's still a possibility, okay? Come on, gold. Let's break it. Listen, you want price to close in the box if it's a confirmed trade, okay? If price doesn't close in our box, that is not a confirmed trade. Oh, gold. Fuck me, I got triggered. Okay, I got triggered and I'm running big time. Thank you for whoever just told me that gold was running. I am up by 20 pips on gold right now. 20 freaking pips on gold. Let's get it. Who's in with me, alright? If you guys are not comfortable, wait for this candle to close and then have a retest and a rejection. Guys, I'm running big freaking time. Almost 30 pips on gold. I just got 30 pips on gold. Okay, I'm pulling this out. I'm just going to leave a small little position and I'm going to pull the rest out. Boom! Who caught that with me? I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. This is what we do here at Forex Trading every single trading day for you guys. Lovely, lovely move, alright? So I'm just going to tell you guys I pulled out... I pulled out 30 pips from my bigger position, and I now have 20 bucks a pip still running in these markets, and it's up by about 15 pips at this point, okay? Clean W gold, lovely, you guys. Okay, today's a great day. I'm not even gonna lie, I can't contain my excitement, but I'm up by quite a bit for today, okay? I'm not here propagating big numbers to y'all, but I've had a great trading day. All right, cash absolutely nailed it. And we got this on gold right now. Okay, TP hit, only the impulse. If you guys haven't gotten yet, wait for the retest, okay? Zoom, I'll tell you guys how much I made on this once we end YouTube, okay? We'll get back to that. All right, W's. Now let's wait. Okay, now for the ones that didn't get in, what could we expect price to do? We could expect price to maybe in the next 17 seconds close in our box. You guys know it. I'm not going to walk y'all through it again because I'm not going to spoon feed y'all. Wait for the retest. See if we want to hold at this level and try to catch a zone fill if they want to do that, okay? Okay, look at that. Little impulse coming in on NASDAQ as well. Close. Let's see if they want to have a retest and a push. Okay, let's see if it has a bounce back. We don't give a fuck. Smoking ciggies in the car with the... Okay, where can we push down till? Look at this region. If we start to break this, we're going right back down to make that double bottom, okay? So watch for this level. That could have been a nice little entry, but let's see. Wait for price to do its thing. Okay, see what I meant? Now if they don't hold here, we're coming back down. Okay, just letting you guys know. So that could have only been an impulsive buy then. Let's see. They're trying really hard, you guys. They're trying really hard to hold. The buyers are trying really hard to hold price at this region. But as of right now, it seems like the sellers do want to kick in. Okay, let's see. Right there. Listen, if this buy wants to kick in, we need to start reversing price right now, because trust me when I say this, if this starts to push down, we're pushing all the way down to demand, okay? So we've got to see if they want to hold in this region. I love the fact that so many of you guys are trading the impulses with us, man. That's crazy. And I see so many names here that are not even the one-on-ones. So good for you guys. Good for you guys. Okay, they're pushing back down. Anyone in on NASDAQ? Big W tonight, awesome. Anyone in on NASDAQ? Who's running on NASDAQ? NASDAQ is giving you a classic move as well. This is what, well, we were hoping to find on gold, and it didn't give it to us because gold's being gold. But you have the break, you have the retest, beautiful entry right here. If you would have caught the retest, or basically if you would have caught the entry point, you should be running by about 10 pips on your move right now. Okay, now with the right risk management, one-on-ones, you guys know it. 10 pips is all that you guys need in one goddamn day. Nothing more, nothing less. Intense. We're still pushing on NASDAQ. They're coming back down, okay? I hope you guys liquidated your positions with me on this. I had no reason to stay any longer, which is why I took out my 30 pips, and I'm now a nice happy man. And I still have $20 a pip that's running in these markets, all right? 20 bucks a pip. You missed both gold and nasty. You don't have to FOMO in, JJ. It's all good, brother. It's all good, okay? US 30 is getting rejected right from our trend line. Let's see if we want to break that trend line and start a push even higher, okay? There you go, NASDAQ. How many of you guys are in on NASDAQ? Come on, you guys, come on. That's a classic Forex move. And I couldn't be happier, man. This is what wakes me up every single day, you guys. Literally, this is what wakes me up. Just knowing that I can beat the goddamn money makers at their own game. NASDAQ, look at it. We're flying. We're pushing. Made 290 on gold. I'm done. Thank you, Cram. You're welcome, buddy. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful push on Nasdaq. We're aiming to hit TP, and it looks like we're going to do it. You guys better not be typing in the chat because you're in on this trade right now. No kidding. Okay? This is beautiful. We're aiming for TP. Come on, Nasdaq. Give it to our army of millionaires. Let us do this. I love it. I love it. There you go. W on Nasty. Shelby, my man. Okay, US 30 is starting to push and starting to have the impulse as well. We're almost at TP on Nasdaq, you guys. Did anyone catch the retest? Did anyone catch the retest? I have been trying to speak about this a lot. That was a 20 pip move. Take your profits out, liquidate your positions, and just be happy. Move on with your life. Move on with your day. Okay? Coming back down. Let's see if they want to start to pick back buyers. Have you guys liquidated Nasdaq? 8 seconds to go. Same theory applies on the US 30, okay? So you can catch that region over here as well. Let's see if they want to do it. Come on. Drop down, US 30. Drop down. You know you want to. Come on. Drop down, dirty. I won't be comfortable with this if we just happen to break it. But again, if you guys are able to get in, knock yourselves out. I would be more comfortable if we got a push back down and a retest of our trend line. And then if we start a push to the upside, okay? Okay, where are the safer entries on gold going to be now? Up here. Why here? Because let me tell you guys something. Okay, so you see how those necklines match up? It's beautiful, right? So we know that's a nice area of supply, and let's see how price wants to react in and around that region. We know that this wick fill could be a fake out. Now, if anyone got in with me and got out with me, good for you guys, because you just, I mean, congratulations, you guys just traded the impulse, okay? But if you want your break of structure, clean moves, you're gonna have to wait for price to actually close that. Okay, a little bit of a retest on the dirty. I would like a little more retest. Fuck it. This is starting to look good, okay, you guys? Oops. Excuse my language, YouTube. Please don't give us a strike. But yeah, let's see if we want to break that and go up and hit TP. Guys, this better convert into success stories, okay? Trust me, man. We spend a lot of time to organize these streams for you guys, to produce these streams for you guys, and it's not an easy task, okay? This is our career. It's what we do all day to build this community. Don't fade us, okay? I always tell you guys, a little appreciation goes a long way. It doesn't matter if you guys made a couple of bucks, a couple of hundred, a couple of thousand, or if you're just trading on a demo account. It really doesn't matter. But as long as you picked up value from me right now, and as long as you pick up value from Forex trading in general, that calls for a success story, okay? So go ahead and post up. Don't fade us. You guys are starting to get really, really lazy. Y'all will regret it when we basically just gate the ungrateful ones. We'll have it free for some of y'all, we'll have it paid for some of y'all. It's our server, we'll do whatever we want to, okay? But no kidding. Go ahead, post up everything that you guys do. I'm not sure if y'all have noticed it, but every time y'all post up on success stories, y'all get assigned some points, right? The more stories y'all post, the more points y'all have. And guess what we're going to use those points for? Use your imagination and be grateful, okay? Did anyone buy that bottom on gold? Did anyone buy that bottom on gold? Okay, again, retest. Where's everyone on the Zoom at? All of y'all are either sleeping or in trades. I'm having a hard time figuring out which one. Or I'm on mute. No, I'm not on mute. 135 on gold. Awesome, man. Writing success stories. Awesome. Wake up. Joanton was just busy with my orders. That's all good. Busy hammering US 30 down so I can get in on a retest. Awesome. Go for it, buddy. We want to hold nasty here, okay? We want to hold nasty. If it starts to push back down, we're going back down. Okay, there you go. Come on, give us that nice little retest. That's the trampoline effect that I keep talking about. We need to respect that trend line. Okay. Also, guys, I'm not going to be staying for market open. I'm probably just going to stay for the new early momentum that's going to open up in the next 10 minutes, and I'm going to be out, okay? Right, new candle opened up. We went straight back down to have that retest. Let's see. Chop right now, okay? 15 pips on gold. Awesome. Zeb, I'm sorry, I don't understand what you mean by that. Where were you guys yesterday? We were chilling. We work weekends as well with Forex trading, so we try to see what the liquidity is like in the markets, and we have and we schedule our streams accordingly. We're only human, and we need some time off as well. Come on, Gold, you're being so choppy, man. Guys, listen, if y'all want to sell this market, go for it, but I shouldn't have to explain why we shouldn't be selling this market. How dare you? Emily. I have two positions. Hold on, gold. One is at 30 one is 1925. Awesome. Okay, we're still respecting that trend line. Still trying to. All we need to do is, maybe it's going to take the early momentum to do so, but all we're looking to do is have that little pop, okay? Break that 50, break those highs, and we have a nice little push to the upside. Okay, so far they're holding. They're trying their best to hold. Okay, did anyone end up catching that retest? Anyone end up catching that? I know someone was trying to get it. US 30 buys look real good. If you caught that retest, you should already be running 10 pips. Okay? How does gold look to you? Looks bullish to me, but as of right now, it's just choppy, man. Just chop. Nothing too much is going on gold. Is Cash on the stream? Vignesh, are you on the stream? Okay, I don't think she's on the stream. Stop it. Nope, she isn't. Okay. Come on, Daddy, give us that break, make us our pips, and let's walk away and call it a day. Okay, come on, Daddy, you can do this. There's just no volume in these markets right now, you guys. Literally, there's just no volume. Okay, if you guys are in on these buys, where would your stop loss be? Your stop loss should be somewhere down here. But again, you're going to experience one of those things where you'll see price hit your stop loss and then most likely go in the direction that you anticipated it. Okay, so if you guys are in on a small position, you should be able to hold down to the 5-minute support. And if you guys are in on feelers, because technically you wouldn't have got your Lambo confirmation, then you should be able to hold it down to your hourly support. Okay, but it really depends on the risk management that you guys use on this particular setup. She looks like a funky double bottom, but yep, that's what I'm seeing as well, JP. I'm new here. Welcome, Vignesh. Welcome, buddy. Welcome to Forex Trading. Okay, see what I mean? Pushing back down, but they're still respecting that trend line. Okay. There's nothing that's going on in these markets right now, you guys. I would recommend y'all to stay away. Okay, let's see how the new early momentum wants to kick in the next 4 minutes, and I'm then gonna call it a session. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna stay for too long. I do have a one-on-one session after, and I'm not gonna be staying on for too long. Okay. I've had a solid day today. Zoom, I'll tell you guys in a bit, but I've had an extremely freaking solid day today. Okay. Like for me, I literally just want to get off these charts, go get myself a nice chill beer, and just enjoy the solid, profitable day that I've had today. Did GU make a retracement? Anyone trading GU right now? Okay, again, a little bit of a pop for the ones that are still in on that. Okay, GU did make a little bit of a retracement. Look at Cash's beautiful, beautiful entry set up today, you guys. This was for GU. That was London, break, retest. Even if you had like a dollar in these markets, on GU by the way, that's a risk-free $78 that you could have made. Ugh, these are just being too choppy, you guys. Alright, I'm gonna wait for the next 2 minutes and I'm gonna call it a session, okay? Is gold doing something? Okay, so the first entry could be for the wick fill. That could now become TP1. Break higher, TP2. Okay. And in case the sells want to start to kick in, Feel free to sell into demand. God, it's such a slow day in these markets today. Alright, give me a second. I just need to do something real quick, okay, guys? What do y'all think? Are we gonna get a pop for the early change in the next 40 seconds, or are we still gonna range just the way we are? What are y'all thinking? Hopefully a pop or something. If not, then no trade for me. That's how it should be, bro. Today seemed like one of those days where you needed to trade the impulse to make some money, right? And that's what we did. Okay, coming back down. All right, look at that. Now they're really starting to drop. Let's see if they want to maybe give us this move. Or if they're going to hold and they're going to start to push back up, okay? Volume will kick in after an hour. It'll also kick in the next 30 minutes for market open. Okay. Ugh, chop chop. Also, there's no London tomorrow. Okay, so we're gonna meet you guys straight up for the New York tomorrow. Okay. Okay, you know, guys, listen. I'm gonna end YouTube real quick, and I'm gonna come to y'all and give y'all the updates and what I think is gonna happen. Okay, so peace out, YouTube. Take it easy. I will catch you guys tomorrow for New York. Okay, YouTube's done. All right, back to Zoom. Back to Zoom. What are we working with, guys? What are we looking at? We're looking at pure chop right now. That's what we're looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys updated levels, and I want you guys to try and trade that. Okay, so if this could act up as another re-entry. All right. So what I mean by that is if we now, like we're doing as we speak, if we start to pick up buyers, you're looking to test out those highs again. And again, just this move is an 18 pip move for you guys, right? So one-on-ones, what are we looking for? We're looking for 10 pips, we're looking for 20 pips, whatever it is, but we're not looking for too many pips. So take what's yours, and of course if we break those highs, we could push higher. Okay, so that was your chance. The same thing on the US 30. Okay, so now y'all know it, price doesn't always respect price action, but trust me when I say this, those buys will kick in at some point. Okay, so as of right now, we could be doing something like that. Nice little break up above there as well. Okay, so if you guys don't want to be aggressive, that's where the buys are, like I told you at the start of the stream. And if you guys have your money management in place, then you're basically just going to be trading that trap, the move that could come in from here. And where are the safer sells? Down there. Okay, if you want to go zone to zone, 40 pips, fuck that, take your 40 pips. Who am I to stop you guys from taking 40 pips? Okay, so if that's happening, take that. Otherwise, if we start to get rejected from here, these buys and this entry still looks good to me. Gold. Okay, now check this out on gold. Okay, let's maybe fix this up. Come on, let's see if gold wants to get rejected from here and let's see if we could buy this area pushing back up. Okay, come on, Goldie, give it to us. Okay, also I've closed off YouTube, so I'm gonna show you guys my position. Okay, it was beautiful. Did anyone buy that bottom like I just told y'all? Did anyone buy this bottom? Because even if y'all bought demand right now, you should be running by freaking fuck. You should be running 25 pips if you bought that bottom as I spoke about it to you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick second and I'm gonna send out my I'm just gonna send out all the positions that I took today for you guys, and it's been one hell of a day for me. Okay, I'm just putting it out there. Um, I literally I had no mood of doing the stream today because I was already done, but of course I'm here to do it for you guys. Check this out. Okay, listen, whoever got in over here, take your 10-15 pips and get out, man. Seriously, you'll have no reason to stay any longer. Okay, 20 pips, big move. If you're gonna be greedy and you're gonna try and get 50 pips in a choppy market, best of luck with that. Look at what's happening right now. Okay, if you literally got it over here, you would have had a nice 28 minus your spreads. You would have got at least 25 pips on this move alone. Okay. Alright, give me a quick second. I'm gonna send it out to you guys, okay? If you don't mind me asking, what's your spread? Absolutely, buddy, no problem. Just give me a second. $20 pips is enough? It's more than enough. More than enough. People call us aggressive scalpers, and I tell them, sure. It's something that we do, and it's something that we're bloody good at. But yes, we even trade 5 pips, 10 pips, you guys. It's 20 is still conservative. Cash trades that way. She trades with 20 pips. She trades with 30 pips. But I am. I love the aggression. I love the fast pace of these markets. It's what gets me going. Okay, I just figured that didn't sound very nice. You guys know what I mean. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to join the Zoom call from my phone as well so I can send you all the picture because Cash is in here right now. Okay, this is just for you guys. Solid freaking day for my account. I'm extremely happy and I'm extremely grateful. Okay. One hell of a day. One hell of a day. I've made it a habit to not put out big numbers anymore, which is why I'm just sharing it with you guys, our private members on Zoom. But it should be about the pips, right? And I don't want to take away from that, which is why I don't really say this anymore. But a solid day is a solid day, okay? And I'm extremely happy. It's been one hell of a day. I could literally stop trading for the rest of the week and I'd still be fine, okay? But as y'all can see in the picture, I caught about 17 pips on $100 a pip for DAX, and I had two smaller positions, got about 20 and 25 pips each. And my gold, I was catching 30 pips, but then I pulled out and I left $20 running in these markets, and that got stopped out at break even. Okay, so I'm not complaining. I'm still happy. This is money that people don't make in months. Okay, so I'm extremely grateful. These markets owe us nothing. all right, and we should be grateful that we can come here and do what we do and make that bread. Okay. Now again, I don't like this. I don't like it at all. It's honestly pretty choppy. I'm gonna call it a session. Okay, I stayed 8 minutes more than I would have liked, but it's all good. I wanted to spend some time. You all know it. I like taking out some time apart from YouTube and just talking to you all. And that's the way I like to close the stream. Okay, so again, these buys, they still look strong. If we have another re-entry, these buys again still look strong, and the sells could now start to kick in this region, and you could go for that zonal fill coming down here. Okay, so that's what we're looking like on Nasty. On the dirty, break, retest, push, maybe test out that demand. On gold, look at that. Anyone still holding gold? Come on, please tell me. Someone must be still holding gold. One of you guys, someone or the other should still be holding gold. Because now, you're up by 33 pips and counting. 33 pips and counting. Much love from Bangalore. Right back at you, brother. I don't know what. Oof. Now these buys are starting to look yummy. Okay. Beautiful. Guys, make sure this converts into success stories, and these areas, they're static levels. They're static levels, straight up. Okay, so, fuck, look at that candle, man. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. So now, if one of you guys caught that retest, you're gonna get that 50 pip move that we were talking about. Okay, take your freaking profits and run. Literally run. Don't give it back to the markets. Liquidate your positions. Take what's yours, because it can, in the blink of an eye, just be taken right back from you. Okay, so don't be testing out these markets. Don't take these markets for granted, and don't take us for granted. Go ahead and post up on success stories. I'm not going to keep asking you. It was a solid day, even though it was a super choppy day, but with the right risk management and with the right mindset, a choppy day can be one of your best days. I think today has probably been the best day for me in the past 1 month. No kidding. I'm talking about profit wise, right? Today has been the most solid day for me, but it's also been one of the choppiest days. Now, the true sign of a trader is how you're gonna deal with that choppiness and still come out on top and still make your profits, right? So there's a lot to learn, and we're here to teach you guys that. Okay, so like I keep saying, if you all don't know what we're doing here, hop on to our server. Make sure you go through Forex Academy, join these streams. They're free, and just learn with us. Trade with us. Get on a demo account to begin with if you don't feel comfortable. Everything's up on what's it called? On Forex Academy. Sorry, my bad. Everything's up on Forex Academy, and you guys want to sort of just pick up as much as you can. Hop onto the streams, practice, practice, practice. Any sort of questions you'll have, please, I request y'all, do not DM me, because it's just gonna go unnoticed. Even if it's something that's not related to the one-on-ones, don't DM Cash either. This right here, this time on the live streams, is the best time for you guys to catch us. Okay, so any questions that you'll have access to us now, and just ask us. Okay, it's always best to answer it live in front of you guys. Okay, now watch out for this. Again, we're looking to close, retest, and push. I like the buys kicking back in, and the buys coming in here as well. Picture isn't loading, man. Why isn't the picture loading? Okay. Sorry, it's probably because I logged out on my phone. Maybe that's why. Okay, but it's all good. I'll post it up on past recaps. Okay, I'll do it right now. You guys will see the picture there. Okay, thank you guys so much. This was a freaking lovely session. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. We're not going to be on for London tomorrow, but we are going to be on for New York for Market Open. And it's going to be another banger of a session. Okay, make sure to go ahead and post up on success stories. If any of you guys wants to get in on the one-on-one mentorship program, message CashFX on Discord. She will give you guys the details. And there is a wait time. Okay, there is a wait time. I'm putting it out there. There's a lot of demand and not too much supply in our Forex terms. But there is a wait time. If you're going to be taking the regular package, currently there is an 8-week wait time, but we do have an express package, which is the weekend course, and if you guys want to skip the wait time, then y'all could sign up for that as well. Okay, so make sure to message Cash if you guys are interested in that. Watch for these beautiful moves to play out, and when they do, post up on the group and let people know. Okay, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Peace.